I'm in a different state of mind, different state from yours, different ways, different rules, even different laws. Cause I feel like I'm trapped, but I built these walls. Halls for so many doors, but yeah, I take what I can get. I got my feet wet in life's big games, totally unaware that I was playing. I was saying, who's to blame? It's a damn shame. Ain't got a dollar to my name, I remain. This is chapter, nothing to lose, everything to prove. From here on in, we're gonna cruise. Chapter, whoa. This is chapter, nothing to lose, everything to prove. From here on in, we're gonna cruise. Chapter, whoa. Finally, it happened to me. Set myself free from poverty and misery. Could it be a self-fulfilling destiny for me and my family? Constantly plaguing my mind, I'm trapped in time. Why can't I push rewind? Cause the system's blind, but still my tribe remains by my side. I'm a R&B hip-hopaholic, I'm 10 times above the legal limit. Cause a minute I'm getting twisted in the system. Cause something missing, is anybody out there still fucking listening? This is chapter, nothing to lose, everything to prove. From here on in, we're gonna cruise. Chapter, oh, this is chapter, nothing to lose, everything to prove. From here on in, we're gonna cruise. Chapter, oh, this is chapter. This is chapter. This is chapter. This is chapter.